Hey everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Kid Troy. On today's episode, we'll be making the Americans' favorite club sandwich. Now before we get into this video, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. Now let's get started. So first, we're going to grill the bacon.
What's empty we have today? $3.50. Okay.
$3.50. Always, if you're doing bacon, always just put it on $3.50.
Alright. Now for our bread.
Yep. We got 3 pieces of bread. We're going to grill 2 and toast the other one. Alright, just put this in the toaster.
So we got that piece of butter. Go ahead and put that down. Good job. Now butter that one.
Alright. Sometimes we'll have to do that to get some of the butter off. What do you think, Dad?
Okay.
Do you think it's ready?
Get that left corner right there.
That's it?
Yep,
Right here?
There you go. All right, now put that one down there. Good job. All right.
Oh, we got some butter on the side too.
Yeah, you did that. That's fine. All right, so those will be grilled and this one will be toasted. And it's ready. Perfect timing. There you go. Slide that right there.
Good
All right,
job.
that's the middle piece.
Yep.
So here's our 2 end pieces of bread. These are the ones that are grilled with the butter. And that's the piece of toast that goes in the middle. Here's Swiss cheese and mustard cheese that's going to go on each piece of bread. So we'll flip the bread over. This is the side that didn't get buttered. We're going to take a piece of Swiss and mustard. Now that is how we're going to start building the sandwich. Now we're going to slice up a tomato and add the lettuce.
So my dad's gonna cut the tomato, and then he's gonna cut the rosemary.
Hold on, give me a second. I didn't realize this knife was starting to get a little dull. This is truing the edge. I'm just taking a knife. What happens is on a blade, it starts to bend and curl. When you do that, you're basically straightening out the blade on this end. Okay? Take that and just like off. Yeah, see, that's much sharper now.
Yeah. Yeah, just take off the paper and the
There you go.
leaves and stuff.
Get rid of that.
Alright, now we use a serious cutting.
I don't like that piece either. It's got too much of that gym weed in there.
Wait, you cannot eat gym weed?
You should not eat gym weed.
What about that one?
No, that's good. Gym weed is this green stuff right here. You can get gym weed poisoning from tomatoes.
Can you?
You'd have to eat a lot of it, but you know. So we got some nice thin slices here.
Okay.
2 thin slices.
Well, maybe you should have cut it that thin, Daddy.
Do one. Yeah, I'll do 1 thick one. Or 2 thick. Yeah, there we go. Uh-oh, messed that one up.
Daddy!
Hey man, I don't have a slicer, so you gotta do this stuff by hand and by eye. And I'm getting old.
You're messing up the tomato.
I know, I really am. That's fine.
I don't know how you're like messing up this.
Because tomatoes are slippery, bro. All right. So we got
well,
we got 4 good slices. That's all we need. That's all we need. Okay.
All right.
We'll throw that right there. Slide those out the way. Now let me rinse this knife off, and we'll come right back.
All right.
All right.
So now my dad's gonna cut the rosemary.
All right, so we got the tomatoes done. On rosemary, the way you pick your leaves, see how green they are? you got to remove the discolored leaves. And if we just went outside and picked this, you take the top part of it and just pull it down. And that strips the leaves off of your rosemary stick or twig or branch, whatever you want to call it.
Dad, why do you not want to get the top part off?
Oh, I'm gonna get it off. It's just harder. It's harder to do.
Oh.
See? So take a little bit of rosemary here. This is for the rosemary aioli we're about to make.
Yep. Our fancy aioli.
Yep, that's what we're making. A little fancy aioli.
You like a professional chef, Daddy.
Yeah. That's kind of what I have done for a very long time.
Yeah, chef.
Yep.
I wish you were in a restaurant right now.
I don't. I'm too old for that, man. My back hurts. All right, here we go. So now we've chopped our rosemary.
That's
what
a lot
I
of
need you
rosemary.
to do. It is. But you're gonna make the aioli, okay?
Okay.
All right. So that part's done. Let's get it.
So now we're gonna make our rosemary aioli. So first we have our base, mayo. Now we have our ingredients. We have rosemary and salt. All right. Here we go. And here we have our squirt of lemon juice. Now just stir it all together.
Get the stuff off the side.
Yeah, I was about to do that, but I didn't want to spill it.
Good job, buddy. That's good.
Yep, I think it's good enough.
All right. Now we're gonna spread it on the bread.
Yep. So now we're gonna smear the aioli on our two bread. So you do this one. Okay, smear it.
You're not so forceful, son.
Yeah, it's kind of breaking the cheese. I think.
Do the other one.
I did some more. Oops.
There you go, just gingerly.
Yeah, because this
Just
one
move
is
with it.
Swiss cheese. So
All
I'm
right,
definitely
you
going
good?
to have to be.
There you go.
Yeah, that's good enough. All right, now let's put our meat.
All right, let's go.
So now we're going to build a sandwich. All right, we got lettuce, bacon,
Nope. Had to figure out which one I wanted to do.
Ham.
I forgot my order.
another ham.
Yeah.
So like 2 ham, I guess. Wait, no. I feel that you're going in the wrong
No.
order.
I'm doing it on purpose. Don't worry about it. You follow my lead, okay?
Okay, so. Oh, I see what you're doing. Never
Yep.
mind. Alright, bread,
Oh, I gotta do it
aioli
again.
on top of the ham, and aioli under the bread. Another is, and smear the other side of that bread.
Yep. No, we'll do the turkey.
Turkey.
Do I want to do another piece of lettuce? Do we want another piece of lettuce?
I don't know. Maybe do the tomato. Okay, lettuce.
Too long to decide.
A tomato. Wait, what about those tomatoes?
Nah, we don't need them.
All right,
I thought I was gonna do on each level, but no, we're not.
and I guess another bread. That's a big one.
It is. There you go. And there is your club sandwich.
All right.
All right. That's good.
Yep. So here's an American favorite, the club sandwich. Delicious. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, leave a comment below and share this video. Bye!